So what's been going on this week?
So I think it's been like, actually I couldn't tell you, maybe 5 or 6 days since the last time we did a video. You can see from my left that we've basically cleared almost the entire entrance. Right behind me, you can see you can now drive in without the threat of trees and branches hitting your car. Directly behind you, the volleyball net's up, the soccer net field's up, the playground structure's up. We put our 5th jupe up since the last time I saw you. We have guests right now staying in the yurt, so that's been pretty exciting. Our trails are all the way cut to the lake, so now we're feeling like it's getting to the point where it's safe. By the end of today, tomorrow, we're gonna have 5 or 6 campsites that are completely safe with picnic tables and everything leveled out, all the dirty brush and everything cut away. So yeah, it's been a busy little week there.
What's the plans for the upcoming weeks now that it's more cleaned up?
So what we're doing, actually, the guys just left with the 6th jupe that we got, and it's on our way to the golf course. So we were the first golf course with a brewery in Canada, and now we're gonna be the first golf course with a jupe in Canada. So we're gonna set it up on the first tee, and it's gonna kind of act like a starter's box. So that should be up today, and I think it's gonna be really neat, and it's gonna kind of start to talk about the messaging and hopefully encourage people to come up and see this in person. But it'll give people like a first-hand view of what a jupe is, and you know, we'll have the solar set up, so at night you're gonna see the cool LED lights on. So that's happening today. We'll be doing a bunch more mulching. We have some leveling of areas to do, because as we're kind of cleaning things up, we're making little holes, and so there's a bunch of like technical stuff that's gonna be done with the big equipment. Andre is right now finishing the 3rd trapper shack that we had relocated. So that's drywall muds going in, the hardwood floors going in, so we're hopeful to get that one done. And then there's lots of little things. Actually, I should mention the outhouses. We built them last year. We never ever used them. We hooked up our first compostable outhouse yesterday, so we're hopeful to have 3 or 4 outhouses in operation and using a compostable toilet, which really meets our entire eco messaging.